Welcome to Aarti's Education. By this video, we are going to start our second term, that is part 2, multiples and factors. This is the 8th chapter. In this video, we are going to learn more about factors and multiples. What are factors and what are multiples called? So, before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, we are going to learn what are the factors. Factors means we have to write the numbers by which the given number is exactly divisible. For example, look here, 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. When we divide 6 by these numbers, the remainder is 0. Means when we divide 6 by above numbers, there is nothing to left over. Look how. Let's divide 6 by 2. Here we find in 2's table there is a 6 in third place. So we are going to divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Here our remainder is 0. Let's take another number here. When we divide 6 by 3, here we get in 3's table, that is 6 is in the second place. So we are going to divide it by 2. 3 2s are 6. Here our subtraction is 0. Look, it's very easy. So we can call that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors or divisors of 6. In short, we have to write the tables in which the given numbers is come. Means factors are nothing but the tables in which the given numbers are comes. Here let's take another example. When we write 4, 4 is comes in the table of 1, it comes in table of 2 and it comes in table of 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. I hope you will understand. Now let's take the second, multiples. Multiples means we have to write the tables of given numbers. Here we are going to write the tables of given numbers. Let's take one example here. When we have to write the multiples of 2, we are going to write the table of 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. These are the multiples of 2. So multiple means nothing but the tables of that particular number. When we are said to write the multiples of 6, here we are going to write table of 6. That is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 and so on. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are the multiples of 6. So the difference between factors and the multiples is factors are the tables in which the given number is come, and the multiples are the nothing but the table writing of given number. If you solve problems on it, you can find it very easy. I hope you will understand. Let's take some examples of multiples and factors. When we are said, let's take here, write the factors of 32. Look, here we are going to write the factors of 32, means the tables in which the number 32 comes in. Here it comes in ones table, then it comes in twos table also. 2 16s are 32. Then it comes in fours table, 4 8s are 32. Then it comes in 8s table, 8 4s are 32. Then in 16s table, 16 2s are 32 and 32 1s are 32. So these are the factors of 32. Now when they tell us to write the multiples of the 32, write the multiples of 32. Here we are going to write the table of 32. 32 1s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 32 3s are 96, 32 4s are 128, and so on. These are the multiples of 32. Means multiples means nothing but the tables of given number, and factors means we have to write the tables in which that specific number is come. I hope you will understand. Let's practice to writing the factors and the tables. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video, that is problem set 32.